My name is Zain, Pasha. I am the operations manager at Hawk Home Services. The company was started about 14 years ago. We service the greater Toronto area, so that's a pretty large area, about a 70 to 80 kilometer radius.
My name's Anita, and my husband and I live in a 4-bedroom, all-brick house that was built in 1969. Today, Hawk Mechanical is in our home, replacing our furnace and our hot water tank.
My name is Robert Licio. I work for Hawk Mechanical. I'm a senior technician. So the customer had a breakdown, a furnace broke down, so they had no heating here. They also were a little tired of their old water tank system. So what we're doing is we're going to put a Rinnai Tankless in, which is going to give us hot water, domestic hot water, and heating for the home.
Hawk Mechanical suggested that we put in a hydronic air handler to replace our furnace, which is something that we hadn't even really considered.
Our solution to them was to go hydronic with the Rinnai Tankless, with the Rinnai air handler. The reason for that is the benefit is amazing. You only have one equipment running on gas, that's the tankless. You don't have the water heater running separately on gas and the furnace running separately on gas.
So where we are right now in the installation is we've removed all old material. We have the board here that we've made in our shop, actually. We love to do this in our shop. It helps us for installation. It actually makes it a little neater and a little easier to install. Our tankless Rinnai will be mounted in this location on the board and connected to the valves here. We are using the Rinnai valve connectors. These actually come in the box. They're supplied by the manufacturer, which is a great thing. And we like to use them because they're actually made for the system. So this is perfect for the design that we're using here.
They're easy to handle, and people can take them. One person can even take them down. It's quick connections of, the plumbing, the water, the gas and everything, everything is accessible.
There just seem to be an easier install. They're simpler. Any parameters that need to be done are all explained simple. It's just a straightforward system. We've completed our installation today of the Rinnai Tankless system for domestic hot water and for heating. Our domestic hot water is coming through from the system feeding the house, and our heating loop is connected through the Rinnai air handler, which is actually running right now. Our heating is actually running at this time.
We got into the business installing commercial water heaters, and after that we got into the HVAC, the air handlers, the furnaces, and all of that. We've been selling and servicing Rinnai products for about 7 years. We have not had any other product in terms of the tankless unit that we buy. We only buy Rinnai.
They were really wonderful in helping size out the right system for the size of our home.
We're getting rid of those 80% units and we're putting in these high efficiency units, and that's saving them almost close to 30 to 40% on their gas bills.
There were some amazing rebates available to us. We understand that there'll be some great energy savings. Our basement's pretty tiny, so it'd be nice to buy back a little bit more space. And then of course, there's the luxury of having endless hot water in our home.